Hey guys, another day of fencing. I haven't fixed bulldozer yet. My dad's arm is not feeling the greatest. He pulled it a couple days ago. It just hasn't healed yet. So we're just gonna finish putting the wires up, get the post in. Fix that some other time when his arm's feeling better. Bit of a breezy day today. Got about halfway on. But then my dad's arm started to hurt him, so we decided to stop, use the backhoe and another tractor to finish putting the post in. Then we put the wire up, put the other fence post in, and then let the cows in here, and we'll deal with that some other time when my dad's arm's not hurting him, because he has to pry it as I lift the track up with the backhoe. I'm here at our John Deere 690C excavator. I'm going to be firing this thing up and moving it out of the pasture because we don't need this. We won't be needing this in the pasture. I'm walking down here to a stump where we're going to be putting wire around, and I had to figure out how long of a cord like this has to go around so the wire won't be shorted out. I'm gonna walk down here, wrap it around and cut it to the length I need. So I just got done creating 3 smaller ones for the post like those, and I have that big one right there for the big stump that we were just at, and I had just enough. We have just enough to have one more spare. This is literally the last of the roll right here, just enough for one more post. So if we ever lose one or we break one, we have one more. That's it.
This one?
Wait, you know, go ahead.
Oh, holy
Come on.
cow!
Come on.
I did it.
Open it up. You got a bunch more to do. Go. Come on. She's doing it, AJ. Come on. Both arms.
Come on. Squeeze that. Squeeze that.
Yeah, I can't get this one.
Oh, that one didn't. It's harder than you think, isn't it?
Oh, I knew it was hard, but it's just when you put like a little bit of grips on them or something, you know. Oh.
There you go, good job.
Well, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks.